To install the custom cape is very simple. Once the original cape and cowl has been removed, put the custom cape onto the figure. The key is to keep the sewing line at the middle of the arm on both sides. Hold it with your hand. You'll be able to stabilize the cape's position by putting the neck piece on. The goal is also to create as many wrinkles in the rear as possible. I do it by holding each cape, brush the cape down with my finger, like so, and then stabilize it with the neck piece. The fabric is stiffened enough where any pose you put the cape, that's the way it will stay. Once the cape is installed, just keep the cape straight down. That's it.